Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the colour of your Windows 10 start menu. So my start menu is currently quite a dark blue colour, so to change the colour you first need to come to the desktop, and then you just need to right click on the background, and then you just need to click personalise. Now in the personalise window you then need to click the colours option here, and then you need to scroll down and you then choose the colour that you want your start menu to be. So you can either choose from the options here, or you can click custom colour and then select your own colour. So for example, if I change it from a dark blue to say a red, and then I come back to the start menu, as you can see it's now red, and these boxes are also red. And once you've selected the colour you want, then all you do is you just close the window and there you go, you have now changed your colour. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like button. If you dislike it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.